In this lesson, we will take a look at the station information available to you for assessing air quality. We begin at the fire.airnow.gov website, and for the purposes of this tutorial, we will select the skip option. This will take us to the map roughly centered on Nebraska. Now let's go ahead and move over to the Denver, Colorado area. Remembering from our first video, the large circles represent permanent stations, circles with a T indicate temporary stations, and small circles are purple air sensors. Note, when zooming in on the map, the permanent stations will show actual values of air quality index, or AQI. Clicking on this permanent sensor will result in an information box popping up on the left side of the screen. In this case, it is the Greeley Hospital Permanent Monitor. The AQI is 14, which is in the good category as denoted by the green color on the AQI color scale. You can also mouse over the little graph and it will detail the hourly AQI for the past 24 hours. And the circle on the far right indicates the trend of air quality over the past 30 minutes. Options you will see here are the negative symbol to indicate no change, an up arrow indicating air quality is getting worse, and a down arrow indicating improving conditions. By clicking the expand button, you will be provided additional information related to the current air quality index, a history section allowing you to look at past AQI for up to a week, and any fire information in and around your area. Take some time to click on the links in the expanded view window of station information for additional details. Note, all of this information is the same if we were to click on the temporary station, such as the Glen Haven station, or any of the small circles, which are the purple air sensors. Lastly, now that we examined station information for a given site, let us utilize the map marker icon in the upper right-hand corner to look at several stations all at once. Go ahead and click on that icon and enter in a location. I will use Portland, Maine, for example. When I enter the location, I now have a list of several stations in and around my area of choice that I can quickly view AQI information. If I select the map, the station information will go away, but if I click the map marker again, that information will reappear. One final note, an excellent feature of the site is that you can also view air quality sensors in Canada and Mexico, which of course can be source regions of smoke. Next up in this video tutorial series, we will take a look at fire and smoke information.